Hi, I'm Zhang from Shanghai, China. It's my great pleasure to record this video for Malabika. Well, she is out, and you will know it after joining her class. Malabika is very knowledgeable and very skillful in all aspects. She teaches concepts to all learning styles and solve abstract principles with very simple and lively examples. So which makes the SRT class very interesting and easy to understand. Malabika's teaching translates both knowledge and reading love at the same time. So every time I took the class, I feel my body and my soul refilled with power and energy. Well, I want to say I feel healed by the class too. After nearly half a month learning, I obtained fundamental skills to practice SRT, and because of Malabika's teaching, I feel very confident to applying SRT to those who need it. Well, here I wanted to say I was very lucky to be her students, because whenever and whatever questions I have, and she is always very kind and very warm to answer my questions. Learning with Malabika is a very wonderful journey, while joining her class is the most valuable decision I have ever made during this twisted 2020. Well, I will continue to think, practice, and help more people as she instructed. And I love you.